Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering and connecting the GTT Access Point. Do that now. Once the unit boots, use an Ethernet cable to link it to your LAN and apply PoE or the 12V adapter. Next, find its IP via your router's client list or use 192.168.0.1. Log in with the default admin credentials, then change the admin password immediately. This prevents unauthorized access. Make sure to note your new password in a secure place before proceeding. Once logged in, switch the device to access point mode to avoid double NAT and conflicting DHCP services. You then create your SSID and pick a channel. Use auto or choose 1, 6, or 11 to minimize interference. Set security to WPA2PSK or WPA3 for stronger encryption and create a passphrase. If you have segmented networks, configure VLAN tagging and DHCP relay so clients get correct IPs. Also check firmware and apply updates. Firmware finish by positioning the AP for optimal coverage, central and elevated, then lock settings and reboot the unit. You should connect a phone or laptop to the new SSID and verify internet access, throughput, and roaming between APs if you have multiple. Monitor logs in the admin UI for errors and run a quick Wi-Fi analyzer to identify interference. If clients fail to connect, try a reboot, confirm SSID and passphrase, and temporarily set channel to a less crowded fixed option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.